Alrighty, YouTubers, I am back again. It is Saturday the 17th. Hope everyone had a good week today. Everybody is safe. And here we go. This is kind of interesting. Take a look at this. You guys can read it. There it goes. Certificate of Flight. This flag was carried in space during the invention of moon blocks. 7th day, February 2018. Chief Executive Officer of Movebetter. Whenever you choose to go to the moon, former President of the United States, John F. Kennedy. Now this is coming from Movebetter out in Cali. So I don't know if they got the special shipping or it's kind of interesting though. I never seen all these years shipping like that. So unless it's something new, but I gotta figure out how to open these. Do they launch it in a satellite? A rocket? That'd be kind of cool. Is it a meteor? I don't know. Some aliens? But so thank you guys. I believe at Movebetter. That's you guys. I hope so. If not, the description is gonna be down below. And I'm not sure if this is Amazon or I don't know how to open these things, to be honest. Hold on one sec. Let's see. I don't see where I could start. Oh, maybe I do. Aha! Holy smokes. What is this? What is this? It's like a satchel bag. You can do butter. Move butter. Alright. What is this? There you go. Whoa. Supermarket of the future. Really cool. Movebetter. Started blah 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 as a joke. The snack of the future. So busy. Imaginary block. Okay. Today we put a man on the moon. Proud to present the first Movebetter moon blocks. Complete nutrition. Astronaut diet. Exact balance of energy. Real ingredients. Just plain cool. At movebetter.com. Check them out. So we got some space age. I can't eat peanuts. Oh shoot. Coconut. There's a Pluto 1. Movebetter. Last bit. There you go. Coconut blocks, mango, pomegranate, coconut, organic, pumpkin seeds. Yeah, I can't eat seeds. Alright, here we go. Let's see what this smells like though. Oh, they smell really. I'm gonna try a little bit. Here we go. It's like sushi. You got everything in there, all packed in. Oh. That's really good. Check it out. We got the moon rocks. Pluto. Pluto. There's one of them, and now we have this one. Movebetter. Jupiter. Oh, this is pretty cool. Great idea, guys. And like I said, YouTubers, take a look at the link. Check them out. Try something different. I mean, it was like super fast shipping from the space. They got sea salt, almond butter, crispy brown rice syrup, barley malt extract, cranberries, honey sea salt, soy lichen, glucose bean gum. I don't even know. I can't even pronounce that thing. Carrageen gum. Never heard of that. Elera. Almond butter cranberry blacks. Alright, here comes the... Oh, wow. These look yummy. Yum, 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 yum. That looks really good. Pretty impressed with this Galaxy 8 Plus. The camera. I got it on the cozy filter setting. Looks pretty good though. We're gonna try it in a second. Let me get this other one taste out first. Alright. Here's a little nug. Oh, just needs to focus a little bit better. I think I gotta do the adjusting myself. Look at that. Got the cranberries. Alright. Oh, this is really good. Definitely check them out, YouTubers. This is Movebetter. And that's about it for today. I will see you guys back in my other video coming up. You guys be safe. Have a great weekend. And like I said, get some new munchies. Check them out. Alright, YouTube. See ya.